there's like very serious reactions behind the camera. Ciao, buongiorno.
Ciao, buongiorno. Welcome to another episode of Lunch Break, guys. Today we are reviewing some carbonara.
Carbonara. First look, let's
Let's
talk about
do
the
a first look. This is more like love at first sight kind, like,
Yeah,
super
it looks
creamy.
very creamy and thick.
Very
and
nice. This looks a little, I don't know, thoda sa dry.
That's
maybe?
like a perfect balance between this and this in terms of the viscosity, because this one's very dry.
I'm gonna.
And serve me as well.
Oh, you know what this reminds me of? In school, when we used to bring Maggie and then it would all be like stuck together. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Let's do this.
Let's go. Super creamy.
Super creamy. I think the pasta is a bit overcooked on how Italians would like it. It should be al dente. Let's go
Next
for
one?
the next one. More cheesier than the previous one. It didn't look creamy, but it is quite creamy, like when you
Yeah.
actually eat it.
Yeah, it has some parsley in it. So it's giving a, I don't know if that goes in carbonara,
I don't think that.
but it's giving a fresh
Yeah, it's
flavor.
a good, great garnish
So
to add.
as an Indian, I will let it pass and I will not cut points for it. Okay, let's go.
Okay, the bacon looks more crispy than the previous ones here.
I'm just gonna have the pasta first. How's
Come
it?
on, guys, there's no pasta is al dente here. Okay, the bacon is much better in this, but pasta has no character, sorry. There's no
This
creaminess
is
to it.
not
Not
a carbonara.
Not even carbonara.
This is an aglio olio. But the bacon is crispy. Okay, 1 point for you.
So we're rating out of 5. This one, what do you think?
I will give this 3.5.
3.5, same.
This one?
This one gets a solid 4 out of 5. Because
Yeah.
nothing's perfect, guys.
I think I'll also have to give it a 4. I'm cutting some points because it's not al dente, whatever. And also the bacon is, I can't taste the bacon at all. So yeah, points cut for that. So I'm going to give it 4. This one I will give it a,
1.5
oh, I was going to be nice and say 2.
for,
I will give it a 2. It's
for
fine.
the bacon.
So,
Yeah.
of course, that's the clear winner.
That's the clear winner.
Let's see what this one is first.
Yeah.
Pa-pa-da-da, pa-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, this is Kara at Ogan.
Okay. This one is La Piazza
by
Hyatt.
Yeah. Okay, let's see the best pasta on this table and probably in Delhi. Okay, drum roll. Thank you, Nikita. Andrea!
Yay!
Thank you, guys. Tell us what else we should review across Delhi or anywhere else.
That's
Grazie
true.
mille.
Grazie mille. Namaste.